I think we're on time at this point. You know what? I think I have cash and I see a makunya. I want a makunya. I don't eat breakfast. You eat a makunya?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, there's no meat in it. Well, unja. Ngicela amagunya ay-7 polo ni mali? Okay. Amagunya 7, all right. Oh, yeah. We're almost at the Apple Glazer headquarters. Very close. Here's the thing that I'm most excited to see. The iPhone 17 Air, because I want to review that one most of all, because I've heard a couple people say, sure, it's a red flag that it comes with a battery pack, and obviously it's so thin that the battery is not as best. But apparently when people have been testing it, it's on par with the iPhone 17. So if it's on par, yeah, I feel like we're gonna have to shut up about that one. The other things are valid to hate on, like the stereo and the one camera at the back, no wide angle lens. I'm using the wide angle right now, so you wouldn't be able to do the wide angle on this one. So there's a couple things that are off about it, but we'll see what it do. I think if you drop it on the camera bump, I don't think much is gonna happen to it, because things are still under the thing. Remember that camera bump thing. There's a little. It's a shield. It's a little glass thing on there, on the camera bump. I think Apple have thought about this, because durability on this phone is apparently crazy. Because there was a test of someone who was like trying to smash this phone. This phone was not smashing. It didn't want to. I think so. Or something, Tom's Guide or something. I don't remember, but they tried, fam. They tried. And it was not budging. Let's get it done. Hey man, excited. This is not gonna help the Apple Glazer allegations, but I'm excited.
Only VIP.
Only VIP, under the ground. Thank you. Good. Thank you. It was how are you?
Matt, right?
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Apple's inside.
Oh, nice. Yes. So you just walk in. Thanks, man. Okay. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hi. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. You just.
How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Watched the video yesterday, actually.
Which one?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one of
The car thing?
Yeah.
Okay. That wasn't supposed to do well. Apparently, I had to delete it and re-download it and change the hook, and then I'm good. Thanks. How are you? Yes, I will. Just conversating real quick. Yeah. Okay. Liquid glass and be like, no, that's just transparency. No, have you used it? No. So use it.
Until you
use it.
Yeah.
And then you'll. Cutting ends phones, guys. 10 the Series 10 compared to the Series 11.
But it does work beautifully.
Very similar. But I think the changes are more internal than anything.
The Pro is
And then they also have a like lightning case.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yes.
That differentiation is also good.
Yeah,
It's fuller to hold
there is
even.
differentiation.
Just to hold it.
also really light at the same
Being
time.
able to give
It's it feels your hand more. I feel like I prefer it this way. I'm waiting for everyone to be done out there. I want to do a thumbnail for my YouTube with all three.
All of them.
I saw Marcus Brownlee do the same thing. I was
We
like,
can
I
definitely do
wanna
that. Let me show you some of the
do
cool
a
things you can do
little
with this one.
variation of South
I
Africa.
know you
you
guys,
know?
you do content.
Yes.
So you're gonna enjoy this feature very much. It's the dual capture with the video, right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna go on the video tab. I'm gonna go to my settings at the top here and I'll say dual capture. And I can then capture myself.
Ooh, at the same
Take the
time as
video, take myself and
Ah.
I can put my reactions as to what's happening in the background. Not only that, I can move this all around, and once my video is captured, look at that. It will actually show that I've moved my frame all around.
or the frame will move as you were moving. with
As
it.
I've recorded it. Have a look at that.
Oh,
Oh, cool.
that is crazy.
That's amazing, right?
Okay, all
You
right.
can go ahead and play with that.
Right, thank you.
They're freaking.
Oh, hey, oh. But that's selfie camera. Why does it look like a filter? Yo, it looks like
Take a photo. Switch it to photo mode. Okay, and look at
Oh.
that. Look when I come in.
Oh my god.
Look at, so as soon as you have the center stage on,
That is-
it'll open up the frame to accommodate everybody that's on there.
Oh, you work there.
That is insane. Okay, they can't deny us now, guys.
Does this thing at the back move?
They can't.
So what?
They can't. The Apple Glazer. They can't deny it now. I can't do it. Okay.
Let me
Oh,
get
that's center
another
stage. That center stage is too clean. So I have my first in-hand look of the iPhone Air, and that is how thin it is, as you can see. That is it right there. Beautiful, innit? Oh, it is something. Look at that camera. You could never go wrong with the iPhone camera, not gonna lie. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm just mesmerized by this. The thing is, this is the type of phone that you want to use without a case. Just like this. You're gonna why not keep it? Hold on, let me finish whatever and then I can do it. But I would use it without a case. If I have enough money, I would use this phone without a case. Apparently, this also has the center stage. Let's check it. It also has center stage.
It did that so quickly, dog.
That is so quick. I'm not gonna say anything about Android. I'm gonna keep quiet, because you know what I'm saying. But this is amazing. Sneak peek. I'm getting this phone later today. I'm getting this phone today when I leave. So you're getting a full-on review of this for YouTube and TikTok. Guys, lock in, subscribe, lock in. This is what we're here for. This it's going, yes. Hurry up, subscribe now, because as you're seeing this right now, this is the beginning. Just to keep it thin, once, okay. One of the covers to keep it thin. Is it protective as well?
No, 100%, right? So you can see also from the screen, for example, if you're worried that the screen might get scratched, it has a lip that will cover that issue.
Okay.
And yeah, so just keep it very stylish.
It keeps it the same, to be honest with you. It feels the same thinness of sorts. Yeah. Oh man. I'm not gonna lie, if I would get this one, I would get it without the screen.
I also told myself the
Without
exact
the
same
cover.
thing.
I
Yeah,
don't need a
because
cover.
man, like this is really one of the best, right?
16, 17. They look quite identical, but the difference is in the internals. 120 hertz, ProMotion, 60 hertz. So we might have to do a little ditching. We have to adapt. Can't have a phone no ProMotion 2026. It's about to be 2026. Oh man. But this color though, I would swap these two colors. I'd get this one. This one makes more sense. But 60 hertz, 120. But the colors though, no, they cooked with the colors. Oh, they cooked.
That's matcha green.
Huh? March? Hey, they should call this matcha green. This is matcha green. I know it's not matcha green, but it gives matcha green. They should have, eh? Because that's the thing right now. They're gonna be like, oh, matcha green. But
Don't be scared. The only thing that would happen is that the air would go through, but
the others are fine.
the others are fine. Yeah, that's
That's clean. So, look what we got.
What does that say?
What does that say, huh?
Huh?
Okay. Review coming soon. We got everything. We got the phone. We're gonna rotate and get the other phones for the reviews. But we got the Air for now, which is the most interesting phone. And the one people want to know, how's the battery life? How is the heating situation? Camera-wise, what's the deal? Are there any trade-offs? The thinness, blah, 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 blah. That's all. That's all it is. So I'm going to do a full review, separate video. But yeah, man, thank you for joining us in the vlog, man. Today was a happy day. Got to test out the phones, got to see the phones in action. Nah, it was crazy. But thank you for watching this video, man. So all you need to do now is to subscribe. Just subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. Help us grow the channel. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. Press the like button now. Do it now. Do it. Press it. No? Okay. It's fine. Press it though. Press it.